If you've been looking to purchase a profitable business with excellent upside potential right here in suburban Washington, I have great news for you. Hello, I'm Dustin Zeher, principal broker of Horizon Business Brokers, here to share another great business opportunity. Our featured business today is a successful auto repair shop in Prince William County, Virginia. The U.S. auto repair industry generated over $71 billion in revenue in 2019 and then experienced a 12% drop in 2020 due to the pandemic. Now, U.S. drivers are back on the road and getting needed repairs done that they have been putting off for months. This full-service shop has been serving its local community for over 30 years. The original owners are now ready to retire, just as demand for their services is set to accelerate. The shop is AAA approved, employs ASE certified technicians, and is located in a densely populated area with great street visibility. The 3,600 square foot facility has 2 drive-in bays, each with lifts and enough room to service 3 additional vehicles in the shop. $40,000 worth of equipment, fixtures, and mechanics tools are included in the sale price. For the 3 years prior to 2020, the shop averaged over $400,000 in annual gross revenue and an owner-operated cash flow of $105,000. The seller may consider providing some financing based on the final purchase price, terms, and qualifications of the buyer. Don't miss this opportunity to purchase a profitable, established business with significant upside potential. To learn more important details, including the price, call me directly at 703-910-7384. And for further information about this and all the great businesses we have for sale at Horizon Business Brokers, visit horizonbrokers.com.